Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on WhatsApp. So in order to do this, it's really easy. Just open WhatsApp like this, then go to the top right corner of your screen, click on that plus icon, then click on new group. Once you've done that, click on the person you want to add to the group. This can be multiple people, of course. Once you've done that, click on next, and then right here what you need to do is give it a name. You can give it a profile picture by clicking right here and either taking a photo, choosing a photo from your gallery, an emoji and sticker, or you can also search a profile picture on the web. Now what you can do is also make sure to enable or disable disappearing messages. This basically means that at some point the messages will just completely disappear again. So yeah, you can enable that as well, and you have group permissions as well. Basically means which people are administrators, which users or members basically. So yeah, once you've done that, go to the top right, click on create, just like this, and then you're already good to go, and then you have your group. If you now click on the name, you will find a lot of details right here, and you will also be able to change your group permissions right here. But yeah, that's basically how you can create a group on WhatsApp. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.